Hey everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Mr.
Nirav Desai,
Writer of.
Jadui Jindagi.
So, what is one thing about your book you think stands out in its genre or theme?
So like nowadays people are having a problem. They cannot sustain or uh, positiveness कंटिन्यू करने के लिए सो लाइक उसको कंटिन्यू करने के लिए उन लोगों को क्या होता है खाली बुक रीडिंग ज़रूरी नहीं है उन लोगों को रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज भी करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है तो इस हिसाब से इस बुक में अगर आप देख सकते हो तो मैंने खाली लिखा नहीं है उसमें काफ़ी सारी एक्सरसाइज दी गई है
अच्छा.
Yeah, right. So based on those all exercise, they can engage with this book, continuously.
So, for the budding writers, what is some advice you would want to give?
So like nowadays, they are writing a books, they are giving many solutions, but they are not, giving any kind of, exercise in books itself. Nowadays, I mean, and the people, what is trend? Like for example, if I am a reader, I'm reading a book. After some days, I forgot what I have read. So continues that journey. What I have to do is I have to engage with the book.
Right.
So if some exercise, if some
For it to be memorable.
yeah, so that can be their book is part of their life and it become a good friend for them.
Right. Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
Welcome.
I hope you have a good book fair experience.
Thank you so much.